Good day, and welcome to our short demonstration of how to place a service call for a Tesla. A number of people that we speak to about Teslas are concerned with a lack of service in their area. And Tesla's taking care of that by actually having mobile service. Now, I live in Calgary, so I can often just take my vehicle into the depot. But fortunately, well, two things. One, I haven't had to. I've really had nothing wrong, other than I had a panel gap that I wasn't happy with. In which case, they decided to send a person out to me. And as you can see in the top right here, I actually live in Chestermere, which is near Calgary, but not in Calgary, although I'm happy to bring it into the shop. So regardless of all of that, that's the background. Let's show you how to place a service order. I have two problems with my car, both of which are fairly minor. Now, if you've owned a regular car before, your first inclination is going to be to call the dealership. Well, Tesla doesn't really have dealers. Their service depots are not accessible for placing service calls. They want you to do it through the app. And it's quite straightforward, and it's actually much easier because you can see right now it's almost 7 o'clock at night on a Saturday. And, well, they're not open, but I can still place my request. So I'll just go to the Tesla app, and there is my M3, my Model 3. Lovely vehicle. And it's charging right now. What I need to do is scroll down all the way to service. Now, if I had a roadside problem, if I'd actually broken down or ran out of electricity, just click roadside and they'll send somebody out to help you. Never seen that before. I'm sure it gets used before the people that scream about Teslas yell and jump up and down to say, yes, of course they fail. Yeah, I know they fail. I'm far from a Tesla fanboy. Look at the other videos and you'll see. However, it's pretty darn rare. I've never even heard of it, personally. I know what happens, I've just never heard of it. So in my case, I have a couple of minor problems. Let's go to service. And it's going to ask, well, what's the problem? So I'm going to request service. Now, in my case, I have a problem with glass. So I could either go under collision and glass, but I don't like the word collision. So I'm actually going to go to noise and vibration. And I'll select wind noise and done. And now I have to describe it. So to save you time from watching me type this out, because nobody wants to waste their time with that, I've already prepared the text. So I'm just going to paste it in. But here's the problem. It boils down to the front passenger side window does not quite seal properly when it's rolled up. And it's most notable during windstorms. The car actually whistles. So I think the window just needs to get cranked up an extra millimeter or so, just a very minor change. Now you think, okay, well, that's great, but I thought you said you had two problems. Well, I do. So let me go back here. And I'm going to click back again. And I'll click request service. This time I will click the drop down because you can see this one's already in here. And I want to add a second case in. Now in my case, my driver's side windshield sprayer just doesn't provide enough juice. So let me click here and select exterior windshield wipers and scroll down as I've done. And you can see here, I need to describe the problem. It says describe repair. I wish it wouldn't say that. I wish it would say describe the problem. And as you can see here, it just isn't providing sufficient juice, and it hasn't since I bought the car. It was such a minor problem, I didn't want to bother them with it because it's not like it's providing zero, it's just for not providing enough. Well, you know, I figure I might as well get them to look at it. So let's click next. Now that I've got both cases there, and I have to enter my address. And it says, well, when would you like some service? Let's go with Christmas Eve because, you know, nobody likes service. Nobody likes to hang out with service more than me on Christmas Eve. And I'll click, let's go with, I don't want to get up that early. So let's go with 9:30 a.m. And I'm actually a bit surprised that they're not going to just send somebody out to help me. In fact, I'm expecting that they'll give me a call after this ticket has been placed and say, yeah, you know, we'll just send somebody out. But maybe not. So I will click next because I'm going to take it into the Calgary Service Depot. And schedule service. Service is scheduled. And that's it. Now, something to note is that If I was dealing with a regular car, say a GM or a Ford or a Mercedes or a BMW or a Honda or Toyota, I would have to phone during business hours. I would have to try to explain the problem to someone. They will not write it down properly, not because they're bad people or because they're stupid, which is what I hear from a bunch of Tesla fanboys, but because they're human and they're not me. So in this case, you can see I get to actually write in what, exactly the problem is, which is just wonderful. And I can do it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Let's go back to home. And let's say it's tomorrow and I've decided I need to modify my service request. Well, if you have a regular car, you're gonna need to phone the dealer and try to come up with some bizarre explanation as to what things are, why you have to make your changes. Not a problem here, just click service. And there's my service center. And I can manage the appointment. So I can reschedule, or I can cancel, or I can do whatever I need to. I can also look at my history, which is just so wonderful. Again, the guy came out, looked at my panels, fixed them. It's wonderful. Didn't cost me a penny, all happy. And one of the nice things about this is I didn't have to give them my VIN number or my phone number. Why? Well, because they already have it. Okay, that's enough of that. You get the idea. Hey, we'd really appreciate it if you would click like and possibly subscribe if you find this kind of thing useful. You can see the kind of thing we focus on, electric vehicles, energy, technology. And if you have any questions or concerns, just put them in the comments section below. We'll get back to you, or certainly somebody else will. And you can always get a hold of us at www.partisanissues.com. That's www.partisanissues.com. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.